In this video, we're going to be going over how you can use ChatGPT for data analysis. We'll be going over how to insert your data into ChatGPT, how to cleanse it, creating visualizations, and getting answers from your data. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right onto ChatGPT. The first thing we need to do is upload our data. To do this, we can simply click the upload button to the left of the prompt box, then click upload from computer, then select the files you want to upload. I'm going to be using a dataset of Walmart sales which I downloaded from Kaggle.com for completely free. I will leave a link to this in the description below. Once we have uploaded our data, ChatGPT will list out all the columns that are in the dataset. We now need to cleanse our data. This is important as it will clean up any missing values and increase the overall quality of our data. I'm simply going to type check for missing values in the dataset and suggest ways to handle them. Based on the response we have given, it looks like this dataset is already pretty clean. Now we know we have a clean set of data, we can start asking ChatGPT questions which we'll use to analyse the data. For example, if we would like to do a comparison, I could type something along the lines of compare the average weekly sales for holiday weeks and non-holiday weeks. In the matter of seconds, ChatGPT has come back with the two answers for holiday weeks and non-holiday weeks. Another example of a comparison prompt would be compare the performance of different stores by plotting their weekly sales over time. This time it has come back with a line graph which shows the weekly sales of all the different stores from 2010 up to 2012. If we hover over the different lines, it gives us some more information about each store. At the moment the graph looks a bit messy. We can expand it by clicking the expand chart button at the top. This allows us to view the lines a lot more clearly. We can also switch it to static chart by clicking the first button in the top right. Now we're going to be taking a look into finding correlations within the data. For example, I'm simply going to type perform a correlation analysis between weekly sales and other numerical values. It has now come back with 4 correlations between weekly sales and temperature, fuel price, CPI and unemployment. Then it has said the number at the end of each one. At the bottom it has provided the key observations of the analysis. For example, it has said there is a weak negative correlation between weekly sales and temperature, CPI and unemployment. Now we're going to take a look into finding trends. So I'm simply going to type calculate and visualize the year-over-year growth in weekly sales. This time it has produced a line graph to show the answer, then provided an overview at the bottom. ChatGPT has the ability to create a variety of different graphs, not just line graphs. It's able to create bar charts, histograms, pie charts, scatter plots, box plots, heat maps, area charts, stacked bar charts, violin plots, destiny plots, pair plots, correlation matrix, bubble chart, and boxing plot. For example, I could type something like create a histogram to show the distribution of weekly sales. It has now produced a histogram showing the weekly sales and the frequency. We hope you found this video helpful in learning how you can use ChatGPT to analyse data. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.